Welcome back, students. This is the dissection of the palm. In the last video, we dissected this palmar aponeurosis, this triangular facial sheath, the modification of the D fascia, apex and the base of the palmar aponeurosis. Now, just for orientation, this is the tendon of the flexor carpi ulnaris, which is attaching onto that of the pisiform bone. This just lateral to the pisiform and to the tendon of flexor carpi ulnaris. This is the cut stump of the ulnar artery, which was by mistake was cut during my last dissection when I was showing you the last video. Now just medial to this lies the nerve, and this nerve is the ulnar nerve. So this is the ulnar nerve and ulnar artery which are going superficial to this flexor retinaculum. You can see this structure. This structure is the flexor retinaculum here, and this nerve and artery, they are going superficial to the flexor retinaculum. This tendon was the tendon of the palmaris longus, which was giving this attachment to the apex of this flex and this palmar aponeurosis. Now this lateral tendon is the tendon of the flexor carpi radialis, as it is going to the thumb, okay? And in between these tendons are the tendon of the flexor digitorum superficialis. Along with this nerve which is going here, it is the median nerve. All this structure here, they are going deep to that of the flexor retinaculum here. Now, what we are going to do in this dissection of this, after this orientation, I am going to dissect you the thinner and the hypothinner eminence. Okay, let us see this. This muscle is the flexor abductor digiti minimi, this muscle, okay, which I have cut from its insertion to expose the other two muscles. So this is the abductor digiti minimi muscle, which I have cut from its insertion side onto the base of the proximal phalanx here. And then you have seen another muscle here, and this muscle is the flexor digiti minimi. Just I will pick up its tendon. Yes, this is the flexor digiti minimi muscle is here, okay? And then on to the, in between these two, flexor digiti minimi and that is abductor digiti minimi, there is a third muscle which is attached to the shaft of the fifth metacarpal, and this muscle here, you can see this muscle between the two. This muscle is called as the opponens digiti minimi. So the flexor digiti minimi, then the abductor digiti minimi, and in between the two, the opponens digiti minimi. And this is the cutaneous branch, okay, digital branch of the ulnar nerve, superficial branch from the ulnar nerve going to the cutaneous branch of the digits, okay. Then on this side, okay, that is on the side of the thinner eminence, similarly we will get the three muscles, and these three muscles are the abductor pollicis. This is the abductor pollicis muscle. See this muscle? This is the abductor pollicis muscle going to insert onto the proximal phalanx, base of the proximal phalanx. This strong muscle is the abductor pollicis. And then from medial side, this muscle which is coming also going to the same place here. This is the flexor pollicis, okay, brevis, flexor pollicis brevis, right? So the abductor pollicis, okay, brevis, flexor pollicis brevis, and then the muscle between the two is the, you can see clearly, the third muscle is seen between the two here, this muscle, and this is called as the opponens pollicis. All these muscles, that is of the thinner eminence, they are supplied by the recurrent branch of this median nerve, okay, and all the muscles of the hypothinner eminence, they are supplied by the ulnar nerve. Thank you very much for watching the video of this. Now we will go deep to this palmar aponeurosis. I will remove the palmar aponeurosis and we will go for the deeper dissection of the palm and will cut the flexor retinaculum. Thank you.